Justin. I taste blood in my mouth. Here.
You do?
Yeah. I'm gonna go down with it this time. Okay.
Is that a good one? Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, man.
Okay, this is like the edge jump, so. Okay. Man.
Here I go. Fan first.
Don't ever do this at home. Don't do this at home.
Oh! You're a champion.
I got so much freaking pain.
That was the least one ever.
Edge jump, Okay, this is, okay, feel me? Edge jump number 2, deadliest. Okay, ready? Freaking crazy. Crazy shit. How did you get up there? Put it right there. Put it right there.
Gotcha.
I thought you meant swing on that stick.
No.
Like this. Okay, mate. Hey, don't push me.
Okay,
No more
okay.
pushing. Huh? All left two. We're doing stunts.
Hurry up, you goddamn.
Okay, filming?
Yes,
Jump
dumbass.
number 2. Jump number 2. Ow! Oh!
Young Money, Lego. Sitting on the toilet, smoking on some medicated, counting loose thousands. I'm living good, they aggravated. 2 things on my mind, one is to keep styling, and the second is to get more of this shit that I'm counting. Call me